Welcome back to another Tinker Tuesday. My name is Miss Anna, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own glitter gack at home. So join me in the next step while we gather our supplies. All right, friends, the first thing we need to do to make our glitter gack is to gather our supplies. So the first thing you're going to need is a bowl, a large bowl. You'll also need 1 4-ounce bottle of Elmer's glue, and the first step is to dump it in, which I've already done. That's why you see it like this. But a 4-ounce bottle of white Elmer's glue, a spoon for mixing, a 1/2 teaspoon measure, food coloring, some fine glitter, a 1/2 teaspoon of borax, and a 1/4 cup of water, which I've already got measured out, of warm water, mind you. All right, so as I said, our first step is to dump the whole bottle of white Elmer's glue into the bowl, and then fill the bottle that you just dumped with warm water, shake it up, and dump that into the bowl. There we go. Now we're gonna add some food coloring to our water and glue mixture and mix it up. Once the glue and water mixture is well blended, you can set it aside. And next you will need your 1/4 cup of warm water and your borax. So we're gonna keep the water in this measuring cup, and we're gonna measure out a 1/2 teaspoon of borax and mix it in here until it's well blended. You want to stir this until the borax dissolves. Once the borax is dissolved, you can pour the water and borax mixture into your glue and water mixture, and you're gonna stir it until the gack starts to become stringy. Okay, and now we're going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of the fine glitter that you've picked out. I'm gonna be using blue glitter. All right, and keep mixing it, and once it is this stringy, you're gonna have to mix it with your hands. All right, after you've mixed it well, you will have your glitter gack. So now you can take away the messy bowl and you can play with it. And that's that. All right, that does it for this Tinker Tuesday. Thanks for joining me while we made our glitter gack. I hope you had fun making this at home, and join us again in a few weeks for some more virtual program videos. Bye.